Hey guys, how you doing? If you guys run a reef tank, you guys know filter socks can be a pain. They clog very easily, they smell, and half the time they don't even fit right. Well, today I'm testing out 150 Micron Honeycomb filter socks from Amazon, and we're gonna see if they're any better, if they're worth the hype. Okay guys, so I got my filter socks in from Amazon today. We're gonna cut this open and see what we got. Now, these filter socks are a 4-pack. 4-inch filter socks that I run on my reef tank. They come packaged pretty well. It's got a little Ziploc bag here, which is nice because you can store them in there. And then inside that you have individual bags that are sealed. Okay, so this is what you're gonna get, guys. You get 4 of these. These have an interesting honeycomb pattern, and they are felt. So they catch a little more of that fine detritus and debris from your fish tank. Mainly what I use these for, I have a sump that I'm going to show you in just a second, guys, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to install these onto your sump, how easy they are to clean. They're super easy to clean, and what I go through, guys. Stay around and find out. Okay guys, this is my reef tank. I have a 55-gallon reef tank in my apartment. I have it set up as a peninsular style, as you can see, which is really cool. I also have a lot of other product review videos for my lights, the stand, some of the rocks that I have in there. But today we're going to be talking about these filter socks that I got from Amazon. These are the 4-inch Honeycomb 150 micron filter socks. Now, your sump may be a little different. Some people's sump, you just have a little spot where you slide these in. Mine is very easy to hook up. Just slide it up underneath your PVC pipe, and then there you go. I run 2 because one is an overflow just to kind of silence it. So I use a mesh filter sock on that side, which I'm going to do a review of those. And then I use the honeycomb felt on the main side. Now these filter socks, normally you can let them go up to 5 to 7 days depending on how your tank is, how dirty you want to let it get before you clean it. I clean mine about every 3 days. That keeps my water nice and clean. It keeps my sump very clean. As you can tell, I don't have a ton of stuff hanging around there on the bottom of my sump. I do clean my sump out about once a month when I do a water change. But these filter socks are super easy to clean, guys. All you really have to do, here I'll show you how easy they are. Alright guys, so when you're ready to clean your filter sock, take it out of your tank. Obviously this is a clean filter sock. It's just a little bit easier to show you for the purpose of this video. All you have to do is you fold it inside out. You probably want to wear gloves when you're doing this because it's going to be a little yucky. Okay, and then you're going to get to this side. This is going to be filled with detritus. It's going to be pretty brown. All you have to do is take it outside in the water hose and spray it off. It's going to come about 85 to 90% clean. Okay. After that point, you got your 5-gallon bucket, fill it up with maybe half a gallon or a gallon of water, throw that in there, and just put a little sip. Won't be drinking the bleach, guys. Just a little bit of bleach. Okay, not very much, just a tiny bit to kill that bacteria and get that detritus on there. I usually shake it up for a little bit, sit it down, and let it sit for about 24 hours, and then it's normally 100% clean. Sometimes you may have to rinse it out once more and then do bleach again, depending on how long you let your filter socks sit. If you let them sit for 7 or 8 days, they're going to be pretty nasty. So you might have to do this twice. I clean mine about every 3 days, so normally they come really clean the first time. After you have it in the bleach bath, you want to rinse it out very well, okay, a couple times with water, and then you can even use dechlorinator if you want to, just to make sure the bleach out. And the most important thing is to let it air dry for a day or so, so it's completely air dry. That's why it's good to have, 10 or 12 of these things. That way you can change it out and you can make sure it's dry before you use another one. Now these filter socks I've been using for probably about a year or so now. Not these, obviously, these are brand new. I haven't really had any of them tear up. The only reason I even bought some more is because just for the purpose of doing the unboxing for this video and to show you guys how easy they are to to clean and keep your reef tank granite clean. You can use these for freshwater or saltwater. I don't think very many people use some for freshwater. Some people probably do. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. What kind of fish you guys have, what you use to clean your reef tanks with, filter floss. Just let me know. I like hearing from you guys. And again, my name is Rob with Rob Thomas Reviews. I do have quite a few videos that I have uploaded for product reviews. I'm going to be doing some how-to videos. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos about the products in my reef tank coming up in the next month or so. So I'm going to have a whole playlist dedicated just to my reef tank. I'm going to be doing a review for the kerosene rock, the pumps, all kinds of stuff, the lights, everything, guys. So if you're interested in finding out more about that, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button, guys. I really appreciate it. Again, my name is Rob with Rob Thomas Reviews, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you so much.